Hello, wisdom seekers, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the June birthstones, Pearl and Moonstone. What they mean for you, if those are your birthstones, if you were born in the month of June, what they mean for your life path journey, and how they relate to this time of year. For those who've watched my videos before, welcome back. For those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon. I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher, a certified gemologist, and a published author, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal wisdom into your everyday life. And this episode is about the crystal wisdom of the June birthstones. I also posted 2 videos about Moonstone, the top 4 crystal wisdom benefits of Moonstone, and a Moonstone guided meditation. And I will post links to those in the description below if you are interested in learning more about the very specific benefits of working with Moonstone. I don't have videos on Pearl yet, but those are coming up soon. If June is your birth month, then all varieties of moonstone are very supportive to you, not just the rainbow moonstone that I'm holding here, but all colors: white, gray, peach, red, black. All moonstone, all varieties of pearl are all extremely supportive to you and can help you cultivate and nurture the inherent qualities that you possess being born in the month of June. Now, June is the beginning of summer. It is the time when we can go outside to enjoy the warmth of the sun, to soak in that vitamin D, to lay outside, enjoy the breeze, to get outside in nature, and to experience the relaxing, healing qualities of being outside. Moonstone and Pearl are extremely nurturing gemstones. They encourage taking the time to take care of yourself. During this month of June is when people often take time away from work and responsibilities to go on a vacation, to have some time to relax and recuperate. Moonstone and Pearl, they encourage rest and recuperation of self-care, because people that are born in the month of June also tend to be nurturers, to be caretakers, those who are drawn to taking care of other people. And caretakers often forget to take care of themselves. They forget to relax, recuperate, do those activities that rejuvenate themselves, get enough sleep, get healthy food, and take time away from caretaking responsibilities. So if you are born in the month of June, you may find yourself a natural nurturer and caretaker. You like to facilitate other people taking care of themselves. Well, don't forget to take care of you. Now, the themes that June children may encounter in their lives, as I said, they may be instinctive caretakers and nurturers, enjoying taking care of others, feeling the need to do that. But also, the themes in your life as a June baby are also to take time for self-care and nurturing of yourself, for relaxation, and to help replenish your energy and stay healthy. Also, Moonstone and Pearl, they help to encourage reflection and inner discovery and a connection with inner wisdom as it relates to your health and the health of others. So as a June child, one of your strengths is knowing instinctively, intuitively, when it's time to stop and rest, when someone else needs rest. for that inner wisdom to help guide you in taking care of yourself and others. Now, you may not feel like these are strengths already. You may have seen it occur in your life and come up, opportunities to help others, opportunities when you need self-care. And as I said, you may not feel like it's a strength, but these are inherent skills that you can cultivate, nurture, and eventually grow into a very deep and natural strength that you can use to guide you on the path to your highest good. I hope that this was useful if you are born in the month of June, that you can sit with Pearl, sit with Moonstone, see how you react to its energy, to the qualities that they support, and how they can help you develop skills, strengths, and your purpose in life. Thank you so much for joining me today to talk about the June birthstones, and I hope to see you again next week.